welcome back to Tokyo. Today we are staying at the Royal Park Tokyo. Somewhat of a classic hotel, but so far we've experienced some excellent customer service. So we are going to start off in the bathroom, which is quite retro, but seems pretty practical. So you've got your Japanese toilet, vanity area, low octane toiletries, which is very nice, and they've provided plenty of them for us. There is then also a bath with shower. Again, looks quite vintage, quite retro, but this is a classic hotel, I guess. Very business orientated, as I'm sure you'll appreciate when you see the rest of the room. So this is an executive floor room, which includes afternoon tea throughout the afternoon, evening canapes and cocktails, breakfast in the morning, and use of the executive lounge. So as we walk into the what would usually be the living area, this is a sofa, but as there's three of us, it's converted into a sofa bed. Busy working at his desk is salaryman Rufus, currently dictating his notes from his last meeting. Within the desk area is a list of all the amenities, which are quite extensive. You can request pajamas, facial kits, all of the usual hotel amenities. There is then a smart TV as well as a minibar, which is empty. Tea and coffee making facilities, complimentary water. There is also an espresso machine. Further down there's a traditional Japanese tea set, and all your usual cups and saucers for making hot drinks. We've got two twin beds on this occasion. On the bedside area, again, quite retro, quite vintage, with the TV controls built into the nightstand. But there is a more modern wireless charger clock radio with USB-C and USB charging, as well as an iPad style tablet for controlling the room functions. Torch, which is always a nice little feature for when you have to get up in the night. Room also comes with a dehumidifier, dressing area, as well as storage area, and inside the wardrobe you'll find an ironing board, safe, slippers, fabrics spray, as well as your shoe horn, complimentary bathrobes, and a lint remover. So that's all we've got to say for now. Thank you for joining us yet again on another room tour. We'll be back again in a few weeks' time, where we will be staying in Mallorca. So we'll see you then.